Okay, so welcome Mohamed Zouari to our interviews at GITEX 2025. I'd like to first start by asking you to introduce yourself. So give us your name, your title, a short description of your job role. Go ahead, please.
Great. Hi, everyone. So my name is Mohamed Zouari. I'm leading the Snowflake team in the Middle East, Turkey, Africa. I've been
Fantastic.
here for 5 years since we started the adventure here in the UAE.
Fantastic. So obviously every GITEX, vendors and participants have to change the theme and the production solution based on what is the disruptive trends and the interest. What's happening at the Snowflake stand this time? Go ahead.
So this year, definitely, it's all about AI. We are showcasing all the latest and greatest about how Snowflake is really helping customers turn their data and assets into AI value-based use cases. So our platform was a data platform in the beginning, and in the last 12 to 18 months, we took the shift of AI, and we kept the same principles that we always had, which is a fully managed service, very easy to use by the customers, completely agnostic, so customers can use any LLMs of their choice, whether they are open source or from market, and they are able to deliver business outcomes thanks to these use cases. So to give you an example, one of the major products we are showcasing this year is Snowflake Intelligence. So the same experience that you have as an end user with ChatGPT in a consumer world, we have it with the enterprises for the internal employees and for their end customers, where you can talk to your data. So ask simple questions or complex questions. There'll be reasoning behind it. There'll be a lot of search, internal, external, across all the ecosystem to provide the right answer with the right documentation, sources, deep analysis, deep search, etc.
Fantastic. So obviously, as you said, AI is changing quite rapidly. The dynamics are changing. But the top trends in data and AI that you're highlighting at your booth, what would they be? Go ahead, please.
Yeah. So I would say we are in phase 3 of AI today. Okay. Phase 1 was 2 years ago, when everybody was discovering Gen AI and using it in a discovery way or in a POC mode in an enterprise world. Last year was about putting those pilots and POCs in production, but still in the generative AI world. This year, we are in phase 3. We are all about agentic AI. So how we can automate, how we can create agents for every simple use case or task, and then have a workflow mechanism to orchestrate those agents. We are going into a world of full automation and less and less human interaction to derive really business use cases from A to Z. So this is the main trend today, is A to A, machine to machine, agentic AI.
Fantastic. So obviously, you must have seen the footfalls at the first day. How are the customers and your partners participating at the GITEX stand? Go ahead, please.
So first of all, this year in GITEX, we had a much bigger booth than before, because we are hosting technology partners on our booth. So Snowflake by its own cannot work. It needs other tools in order to bring the data to Snowflake, other tools in order to consume the data from Snowflake. So we invited those type of partners on our booth because we're very complementary. We provide an end-to-end journey to the customer. And secondly, also, we need partners who are implementing the solution. First of all, to migrate the data from the legacy systems into Snowflake and do this, unsilo the data and unify them in one platform, and then extract value from that. This is where the partners are really adding value, because they talk the business language of the customer. If you are working with a bank, you need someone like EY to talk FSI. If you are working with healthcare, you will need some specific partners who are really dealing with the Ministry of Health, the Department of Health, the clinics, etc. So that's exactly how we operate with partners, and it's our way to scale also in the region.
So just to go back on one point which you had raised, is about looking forward. Obviously, there's a lot of opportunities in the market. There are some challenges in the market. When you have a perspective for the next year and the dynamics of technology, dynamics of enterprises, how do you feel about the next coming months? Go ahead, please.
So the future is definitely still about AI because we are still scratching the surface today.
Right.
The readiness of customers to deliver AI is still low. So some of them are very advanced because they spent the few last years on doing what we call the plumbing, putting the foundation on data, because at the end of the day, there is no AI strategy without data storage. Okay? Those who did this job, they're already extracting value and will move faster than the others. And I talked about agentic AI, they are able today to deliver agentic AI. Those who are still not yet delivering the data foundation with the right security and governance, they still need to do this movement to a unified data platform, will have a little bit of delay in order to extract value from AI. So what we are doing is helping them to accelerate this journey. So one also of the things we are showcasing this year in GITEX is migration and conversion tools from legacy systems to Snowflake that are AI driven. So some customers in the past, they used to spend 9 months, 12 months to migrate from a legacy on-premise or even a cloud system. Today with AI, we really are able to shrink this time to 2-3 months maximum. So we accelerate the fact that they can bring value from. So future is still AI. Agentic AI is definitely the topic for the next couple of years. And of course, the likes of NVIDIA and others are moving very fast in the compute power. And we will see much more use cases on general AI coming in the next 2 to 3 years.
Fantastic. So look forward to the new announcements from Snowflake as we go along, especially the ecosystem as it is developing and the use cases. Thank you very much, Mr. Mohamed Zouari.
Thank you.
Thank you.